Good day, guys and gals, and welcome to British English Pronunciation with Nadim. Today we're going to look at two short single vowel sounds, a and Notice the subtle change in the shape of the mouth between these sounds. A. Okay, as usual, I will say 3 words at a time for five sets. Repeat after each set. The a sound is short and open, as in cat, bat, rat. Back, rack, jack. Flat, chat, that. Ham, ram, jam. Slack, black, plaque. The sound is also short but slightly more closed. Okay, 3 words, 5 sets. Repeat after each set. Cut, rut, jut. Luck, trust, glut. Cusp, fuss, rust. Fun, sum, num. Love, dove, above. Okay, now on to today's tongue twister. Rats come and run at us, as luck have some that jump up, back above, and none can slump. Okay, just the first part. Repeat after me each time. Rats come and run at us. Second part. As luck have some that jump up. And finally, back above and none can slump. Okay, all together now. 1, 2, 3. Rats come and run at us, as luck have some that jump up, back above and none can slump. Okay, now you on your own. 1, 2, 3. Okay, well done for today. Remember, practice, practice.